Beautiful, efficient small kitchens. Here's how to make the most of space you have. Often the hub of the family home, the kitchen is a place to gather, cook, eat, laugh, do homework or pay bills, and share in special moments together. When space is limited, it takes smart planning to create a multifunctional and aesthetically appealing kitchen. Here's how to make the most of space you have. In the kitchen pictured above, sophisticated earth tones and furniture style molding warm a slender, galley-style space.